Hello! In this short video, you'll learn about Luxart's new QuickDock technology, a new feature that allows you to install your new Luxart faucet in just minutes, without the aid of a helper and without any special tools. Once you receive your new Luxart kitchen faucet, take a quick look at the parts included in the box. A parts reference can be found in the included instruction manual. First, position the trim ring over the counter hole. Next, insert the base, making sure the front label is facing forward. Now, tighten the screws using the included Allen key. Insert your supply lines through the base. Place the faucet down on the base and align it so it faces forward. Secure the faucet by tightening the screw. Finally, make the necessary supply line connections under your sink. That's it! You are now ready to enjoy your new kitchen faucet. The QuickDock mounting system is available on our Luxart Agra and Eris and our mainline Chelmsford kitchen faucets. Please visit LuxartCollection.com and MainlineCollection.com for more information.